we're going to start with problem 3107. 3107A actually. So I'm going to write it out first, and it's going to look like 3x minus 1 times x plus 7 over 4 times 2x, oh wait, sorry, it's a minus, 2x minus 5. And this whole is multiplied by 10 times 2x minus 5 over 4x plus 1 and x plus 7. So this is nice because everything's already factored out, and all we have to do now is cancel it out. So we can just start off easy and do the x plus 7's. There's 2 on each side, on the numerator and the denominator, so we can cross it off there. There's another 2x minus 5 on both numerator and denominator. So that's all the ones that are exactly alike and have common multiple, except for 4 and 10. So they both can be divided by 2, so we can both simplify them. So this can be turned into 5, because 5 times 2 is 10. And this can turn into 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. So if we simplify this and get rid of all the ones we crossed out, it'll look like 5 times 3x minus 1 over, we've got a 2 here, 2 times 4x plus 1. And this is a good answer, but we can simplify it out even further by multiplying these in. So that's going to look like 15x minus 5 over 8x plus 2. And so that's how we do a simple problem when it's already simplified out for us. We're going to be working on a little harder one. It's the same 3107-107D. So I'm going to write it out first. So it's 4x minus 12 over x squared plus 3x minus 10, and it's divided by, so we're going to have some to work there. And it's 2x squared minus 13x plus 21 over 2x squared plus 3x minus 35. And so this is where you do the diagonal in the box, but I don't really like to do that, but that's a good way to do it. So how they're going to be factored out is, so we can take the 4 out of both of these, so we'll end up looking 4 in parentheses x minus 3. If we multiply that back in, it'd be 4 times x, 4x, and then 4 times 3, which is 12. And that's over. And this is another one of those, So if we do the box and the diamond, or the diamond and the box, we're going to end up with x plus 5, x minus 2. If we take this down here, we can check our work. Is that in the view? Yeah, so we can check our work, and it'll look like, we can just multiply them out, x minus 5 and x minus 2. So it goes, FOIL it out, first, outer, inner, last. So this is x times x, which is x squared, minus 2x, and then 5x plus 5x, and then we multiply 5 times 2, and that's negative 10. So if we simplify that out, that's going to be x squared plus 3x minus 10, which is the same problem here and here. So this one equates to this, and that's how we know it's correct. I'm going to erase this. Okay. And then we're going to keep the division symbol here, and we're going to simplify this guy next. So we have a 2 in front of, as a coefficient in front of the x squared, and so we have to put a 2x somewhere in the equation, or in the simplified version. So it's going to look like 2x, and then we need something that will multiply to 7, that'll add to 13, but we have to keep in mind there's a 2 here. So I thought about it, and 2x minus 7 times x minus 3. So the x minus 3 will multiply by 2. That'll be 6. And then 7 minus 6 is 13. So I'll write this out. So it's going to look like 2x minus 7, x minus 3. And if we FOIL it out again, we get 2x squared minus 6x. We do these two minus 7x, and then these minus 21. So then that's the same equation here. Actually, I'll go a little further. Oh, this is plus, sorry. And then so these are the same equation. Just checking back the work. And so then we have this problem, which has a little bit of bigger numbers. And we're trying to get the number 3. So I got, for my equation, I got 2x minus 7 and x plus 5. So I'm going to check this again. And I'm going to do, so this will be 2x minus 7 and x plus 5. We're going to FOIL it. So it's going to be 2x squared minus 10x minus 7x minus 35. So this is plus 10x, sorry. And then we simplify it out again. 2x squared plus 3x minus 35. And that's the same. And earlier on, we learned, in algebra, we learned about how to factor these out. So I'm just going back and showing how to check the work on that. So we have it all simplified out now, but we still have this division sign, and we can't divide across. So what we have to do is we have to change this to a multiplication sign, because then we can go straight across. But in doing that, if we change this, we have to switch on this second one, the numerator and the denominator. So that's going to look like this part of the equation stays the same. It was 4x minus 3 over x plus 5 times x minus 2. But now this is, since we're going to switch these two, it's going to be multiplied. That's going to be 2x minus 7 x plus 5, and that's this one. This is here over this, which is now the denominator, which is 2x minus 7 x minus 3. Let's make that more. All right, now we can go about simplifying it as we did in the problem before. So that's going to look like, so 2x minus 7 and 2x minus 7. Those are, let's cross this out. We've got x plus 5, and we also have x minus 3. So there's a lot we cross out. There's only 2 parts that remain in the equation. And so it's going to end up looking 4 over x minus 2. And that's the final answer.